Hi guys! So in this video I wanted to briefly talk about the casts and moulds I made of some Warhammer 40k figures and pieces. So before I start, I just wanted to mention I don't condone or endorse copying parts for financial gain or to replicate in full a figure or vehicle. What I was purely doing was demonstrating how one part and two part moulds were made. So you may have seen recently that I've removed the moulding and casting videos where I used Warhammer figures and parts. So the first video I made was of this simple one part mould where I cast a few parts from an Orc mech gun. So the cast didn't come out too bad. A few little air bubbles trapped in there, but other than that, pretty good. And the mould came out perfectly. So that video got a lot of views. I got a lot of comments requesting videos to show how to do a one part mould and a two part mould to cast some figures, which I did. So those videos were on my channel for about a month or so, and then I got a polite letter from Games Workshop informing me that my videos had been reported for infringing Games Workshop's rights. So just to clear things up, it wasn't YouTube that told me to remove the videos, and I didn't get a copyright strike. So I chose to remove the videos, although I'm not sure if I had left them up, what Games Workshop could have done about it. I guess we'll never know. So what I was wondering is, with all these Chinese and third-party companies making recasts of Games Workshop figures, why or how they haven't been shut down. And yet Games Workshop wanted a single person like myself to remove videos that showed how to make one part and two part moulds. So it's never been my intention to make parts or figures and sell them on, or to even sell them on the moulds. This was purely a little exercise in how to make moulds, and some of the parts may have been eventually used for kit bashing, but I'm not sure I'll be doing that now either. So if anyone here has had any dealings with Games Workshop regarding any copyright infringements, I'd be grateful if you could let me know what your outcome was, as the videos I made showing how to make one part and two part moulds, I'd love to be able to put them back up on here. So as you can see, I also made moulds of sections of the administratum, which I also videoed and was going to turn into a video for you guys. But obviously after receiving that email, I'm not sure if I should now. So again, the simple one part mould was easy to make and the results are very good. And I made some casts with a liquid resin, which again came out really well. And these I would have been using as kit bashing for other projects. So what are your thoughts on recasting then, guys? Is it good or bad? Do you do recasting yourself, or have you bought recasts? It'd be great to know your thoughts. And if you've had any run-ins with Games Workshop, or know where they stand or what they're doing to prevent larger companies from making and selling their casts. So I am currently waiting for some non-Games Workshop figures to arrive, and then I can make some more one and two part videos for you guys. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave some comments below. Let me know what you thought of this video and what you might want to see me do in the future. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell just so you get informed of when my videos come out. If you are able, guys, it'd be great if you could share this on Twitter, your Facebook page or Facebook group, Discord and Reddit. That'd be awesome. Here's another video you can click on to see more of what I do. Okay guys, that's it. Bye for now.